Lederhosen Salesforce here. Another how to link Office 365 to Lightning Salesforce. I found there's no video on this, and I get that like email, Outlook, SharePoint, pretty straightforward. One of the surprising things was you don't need the Lightning sync, right? You need to be in Lightning. That's key because there's components that are built on Classic. And all you need to do is enable Lightning for Outlook, which is right here. Then in your Office 365, you go to the upper right, there's a little sprocket, you do add-ons, and then you look for Lightning, Salesforce Lightning. And then you find this one, you add it to your Outlook. This sits in your Office 365, and you don't need to be an administrator to add this. Now, take a look at this right here. You just say connect, right? And then every email that comes in, you'll see that little button, right? That little button right there is the Salesforce button, and you click on it, and then this pops up on the side once you're connected. And with that, I showed you how to connect Office 365 to Salesforce from Office 365. And the only thing you need to click again is you go to Setup, you go to Quick Find Sync or Lightning Outlook, type in Outlook. And all you need to do is let users access Salesforce records from Outlook. That's it. Hope this helps.